Ghana Blasters no. Ebeye. After say about 2 weeks ago, yet na GFA4 aya de ne basa no. O say ye more 21 days. They say 21 days no. I can't 7 days on.
As one.
There be and so but
I got 7 days.
Okay, but spiritually no what conclude bibia.
Oh no, me conclude this.
Oh, okay.
But mainly I'll be able to map a lot of realities in time as the Lord lives.
Okay. Enti o share prof ebeye ye.
Ghana Blasters
no. On say on baby and me bisa Blasters na ebeye ye wo World Cup no.
Right now I told you I've become their catalyst.
Exactly.
In the timeline that there is nothing changing. I have not seen any change yet in time. Unless maybe may exceed me 21 days now, then I can see the outcome of it. Now I'm stuck in between two things.
Okay.
A lot of people are confused.
Okay.
As to what will happen. And now, this is it. The street says I should maintain the timeline.
Aye.
So that Omo the bet champion for no Musamba. The opinion for also says they should help them so that Ghana will get somewhere and then bring honor to the country.
Okay.
It is the two things.
Hey yo. Yeah. Me no ka say prophet sowah ababonting ede replier ye de mano efa ne catalyst predictions bi ne ekwan of pese or temper with time ema sabi Black Stars no edrum pempensuo bi quarterfinals e World Cup ni no ababonting. According to prophet sowah or patch say and some street ni kano wate no obi bebusa say and some na street ni ka eye me ya say prophet sowah entimi amodin say Bonah but normal me study video no any kwan na all kasa all sre no which means video na ye de command no say man in temper with the time e man in favor Black Stars no wahu.
This is it. The street says I should maintain the timeline.
Aye.
So that Omo the bet champion for no Musamba. The opinion for also says they should help them so that Ghana will get somewhere and then bring honor to the country.
Okay.
It is the two things.
Okay.
Number one, the coach now, what they are initiating, I told you that they'll bring in a
Aye.
coach. Coach somebody Bebano is about to play a very funny tactics. So almost on the night. It's about to play a very, very funny tactics. It's about to play a very, very funny tactics. So most of the night, they should hold on to him. I'm their catalyst.
Okay.
Right now, I'm their catalyst. So they should get used to it. Because every match and its outcome, I'm the one to tell them.
Okay.
I'm the one to tell them.
Okay.
I remember some months ago, under 24 World Cup. No, go to every single match. I told the scoreline.
Okay.
Every single match to the end. Those ones is not a problem. Yes, but you have to. If we want to get somewhere, we have to do what has to be done.
Okay.
Now, coach, will come, bring in some people, take out some people. He will bench Suleiman Akamadin. Then, when he benches, this is the catalyst they have created.
Okay.
The catalyst, and I'm going to this. Saturdays and that catalyst, Kudus will go to the World Cup. First, I've gone to Mimbo. He will play 1-2. He will try and his leg. Now, I said the nine now she say what they are boniki na strand the nine say shit on whatever the situation is, he will just be sitting non-stop. Exactly. Now that one already clear. This is stuck in time. Yes, unless we are bending that reality, and after 21 days before I can see if they can bend it or not.
Okay.
If they cannot bend it, because sometimes you bend the timeline, look at all sort of mess that they can create. Yes, so we are not trying to play that game anymore. Because some people are the ones you are bending time for them, they will not know what you're doing actually.
Exactly.
You can even bring it to their face and explain to them and it will happen and they'll still make mistakes.
So at
the end of the day, that's how it is. Now, he will come and bench Kamadin Suleimana. He will come, be playing Shaku second half. He will tear apart all the timeline that is playing. He will not send the DIU. He will play all those funny monkey business. So all these things will interfere with a lot.
Okay.
After 21 days, we will correct all these things. Yeah. I told you, as these things are there, if they don't keep the pattern of the timeline, it is just 3 matches.
The current video we know wakyerɛ mu die nti a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ nea a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ. Na wotie ne kasa no mu yi a ɔpa akyerɛ sɛ now no he is stuck in between the street and the mpanimfoɔ. Muntie ne yo. Now no ayɛ sɛ ogyina mfimfini. Menkɔ adwo anaasɛ menkɔ ataa. Because ɛkame sɛ street ne say timeline no deɛ Ghana deserve, you know, based on our preparation. Any kwanya sabi mpanimfoɔ no afa so manage asɛ Ghana football, asɛ GFA. Ɛkyɛ sɛ ɔmatete apansam Black Stars no. Original results a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛnya based on yɛhoɔden ne preparation no. Ɔmaintaini ɛno ma yɛn. Ɛno na street ne ka. Ano no nso no utie ne kasa ne mu ya ɔpa kyerɛ sɛ mpanimfoɔ no nso gyina baabi sɛ papa sɛ woyɛ Ghana ni na wanya saa adoma kyɛdeɛ wei the catalyst man a wotumi temper with time ɛma yiedie bi bade a wobɛyɛ ne dɛn unua nya unua no ɛno nti catalyst man yɛ bibi ma yɛ nanim guase a ɛbɛyi ɛyaw. And based on the first video na me here no say me come comment section a amanfo gina me call so ding. But I come here say nipa be brante mase. Entokwa ye kunyina na say information a ye pass to Prophet Sowah ne say ye mpanimfo na ye de Black Stars any GFA any Ghana football ahye omunsa no. Omo homodin. Oma say Ghana football a free through basic form. Bibia anya adwuma. Nothing is working. Enunti emanen contempa with time. Ema yedie bi ama because yedie bi ba. Empanifo de beka se omu nyuma pa. Ene said omu si bo omu ho modinti na Black Stars ekọ World Cup no oma performe. Enunti nye se bia ye video said be attack the catalyst man say ebia ade na oye no emfiri nyame anase bibisa debi. But nia ye kan say e was said Ghana ekọ cup no World Cup no ma yenim guase ma ewiase nyina hu say ye mpanimfo no adwuma na ye de ahye omunsa no omunye ni hie eye tie enkwan ye de na ye den. Software says ya wokɔ catalyst akɔ change time ama Black Stars edru quarter final no enko ba bia enye so obetimi atempa with time ama Black Stars edru quarter final sa enye dodo na munim Prophet Sowah ana say dodo na say bi munim Prophet Uche no monkanche Prophet Uche say onkanche Prophet Sowah say street ne say Sabi so betimi atempa with the time because omuna the catalyst. Ometimi atempa with the time. Ama Ghana Black Stars edru quarter finals. Enye on temper with the time. The catalyst man on temper with the time. Na Ghana Black Stars enkobo finals. Ewa World Cup no na yenje cup no nyemfamra Africa. Yemfamra West Africa na yemfamra Ghana me wiase nyina hu se ampa ye work the catalyst man bia otimi temper with the time because frankly speaking Prophet Sowah so ko temper with the time ema ye drew quarter finals the eja ewo mu ni say yempanimfo no momu na ede beje monyam say enam omo so wohu omu good management eni nyoma afi no omo keka omo be press conference abekeka brofo akese abetu mfutrogu amanfo ani se omu change yo toado omu pam no ana omu de otoado koduru ha ana omu se da bi aduru no e wo se wohu ye yi otoado free ho ye kofa asa coach we wohu ne de wohu omu be ye some fragadam calculation bi ne budget bi eni omu beku yen Prophet Sowah say unim pa na wo temper with time. Ema ye drew quarter finals. I'm telling you energy Jeff phone mpanimfo no mom da Black Stars no omeku yen. I'm telling you omeku yen. ɛneɛ ɔmo nkuya prɛko temper with the time na yɛnkɔ world cup no nkɔgye cup no mmra fie ɛno deɛ ɛbɛhu sɛ no the catalyst man the whole world ɔboa anaasɛ deɛ wopɛ sɛ Ghanafoɔ yɛn nyinaa yɛnyɛ ne yɛmfa ntaa w'akyi sɛ bɛyɛ bɛtumi temper with the time na yɛagye world cup no de aba Ghana no Professor wa ɛne die me nkotodwe gu fam ɛne deɛ metɔn ne wɔ fam mesrɛw yɛ saa adeɛ no na yɛnye cap no mfa mmra Ghana tie na mmom sɛ nyɛ saa paa deɛ a prophet ɛne die m ɛmmoa no a wopɛ sɛ ɔde boa Ghana Black Stars no gyene ho ye because ɛwɔ mu sɛ wabɛkyerɛ mu deɛ nti a woyɛ de aboa but the ripple effect na ɛnyɛ because Ghana football no woyɛ obi a w'ani gye soccer ho a woyɛ obi a w'ani gye ball ho a woyɛ obi a w'ani gye sports ho so woyɛ obi a sports na yɛ w'adom akyɛdeɛ na woyɛ Ghana ni a wobɛtem ase obi a ne busuani ɛwɔ talent a n'adom akyɛdeɛ wɔ wiase nyinaa ne sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ sporting activities bi na ɔde di yie no saa parents no saa family no saa individual no saa talent no ɔmo tem ase anaasɛ ɔmo bɛtem ase because nea yɛ mpanimfoɔ no ayɛ Ghana sports industry no ɛya o no ɛya nanso ne wana ɔka sɛ kɔmfɔ se kɔ ɛya o the catalyst papa na ase sɛ oh yeah day your predictions ni ye ma yɛ hu deɛ kɔ na dodo na ɛka sɛ because of first prediction na sɔfo de ba yɛ nti no yɛ ikotwa bet ne nneɛma dabi ɛnyɛ bet sɛm o yɛne abro yɛdwene Ghana daakye ho ɛnyɛ bet 2x4 bi a dabi baabi adeɛ na duru no wo sɛ ewiase duru baabi a ɔsɛ biribi sɛe ansa na ɔman no nyinaa adwene abɔ mu so na yɛ nyinaa yɛafa ne a yɛ ne yie because sɛ Ghana duru quarter finals a ɛyaw budget a mpanimfoɔ no de bɛba no wɔn Thanks a million for being part of today's episode of The Bonah Show. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this bigger family. Onyankopɔn nhyira wo na ɔnte n'anim kyerɛ wo. I'm out.